What if wood is not something you shape, but something you understand? In this video, we explore a deeper perspective on raw timber and the quiet process of transforming it into meaningful design. This is not about tools or steps, it's about awareness, patience, and discovering the hidden story within every piece. If you're passionate about woodworking, creativity, and natural design, this video will change how you see wood forever. Thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more original and inspiring woodcraft content. What if the most beautiful creations in the world were never designed first? What if they were discovered? Right now, somewhere, there is a rough piece of timber, uneven, unpolished, unnoticed. Most people would walk past it without a second thought. But hidden inside that raw surface is something extraordinary. Not added, not imposed, but waiting. Today, we explore how wood reveals its quiet story and how true craftsmanship is less about control and more about awareness. Seeing beyond the surface. At first glance, raw timber feels incomplete. It doesn't shine. It doesn't impress. It doesn't try to stand out. But that's exactly where its strength lies. Because unlike artificial materials, wood does not pretend. It shows everything: its history, its stress, its growth. Look closely, and you'll notice something fascinating. The grain is not just a pattern. It's movement frozen in time. Each curve follows a direction that was never random. It grew that way slowly, naturally, without interruption. And once you start seeing that, you stop asking, what can I make from this? You start asking, what is already here? The shift in mindset. Most people approach creation with a fixed idea. They want control, precision, predictability. But wood doesn't respond well to rigid thinking. It challenges it. Because no two pieces are ever the same. And no plan survives unchanged once the process begins. That's where the mindset shifts. Instead of forcing outcomes, you begin adapting. Instead of controlling, you begin responding. And surprisingly, that's when better results start to appear. Not because everything went as planned, but because you allowed the material to guide part of the journey. The language of grain. If wood had a language, it would be the grain. Flowing lines, sudden turns, tight clusters, open stretches. Each variation tells you something. Where it is strong, where it needs care, where it wants to move, and where it resists. Ignoring this language leads to frustration. Following it leads to harmony. Because when your actions align with the natural structure, everything feels smoother, cleaner, more intentional. It's not just technique. It's communication without words. Why imperfection wins. Here's something most people don't expect. The most captivating part of wood is rarely its perfection. It's the irregularities. A sudden shift in tone. An unexpected mark. A detail that doesn't repeat. These are the moments that catch the eye and hold attention. Because perfection is easy to forget. But uniqueness stays. And wood never tries to be perfect. It simply remains honest. That honesty is what makes it powerful. The role of time. There is something else hidden in every piece of wood. Time. Not minutes or hours. But years. Sometimes decades. Before it ever reaches your hands, it has already lived a long journey. Growing. Adapting. Enduring. And that time doesn't disappear. It becomes part of the final creation. That's why working with wood feels different from working with anything else. You are not just shaping material. You are continuing a timeline. Precision meets intuition. There's a balance that defines great craftsmanship. Precision alone is not enough. Intuition alone is not enough. But when both come together, something special happens. You measure carefully, but you also adjust naturally. You follow structure, but you stay flexible. And in that balance, the process becomes almost effortless. Not because it's easy, but because it flows. When the ordinary changes, at some point, something shifts. The same piece of wood that once looked ordinary starts to feel different. Not dramatically, not instantly, but gradually. Details become clearer. Lines become more defined. The form begins to emerge. And then, without a clear moment of transition, it no longer feels like raw material. It feels intentional. That transformation is subtle, but powerful. Why simplicity works. There's a temptation to overcomplicate, to add more, to do more, to push further. But wood often responds best to simplicity, because it already contains complexity within itself. The grain, the texture, the natural variation. When you allow those elements to stand out, you don't need to add much else. Sometimes, the smartest decision is knowing when to stop. The quiet impact. Not all creations need to be loud to be powerful. Some of the most meaningful ones are quiet. They don't demand attention. They hold it. They don't overwhelm. They invite. And that's exactly what wood does best. It creates presence without noise. A different perspective. After seeing wood this way, it becomes impossible to look at it the same again. It's no longer just material. It's process. It's time. It's story. And more importantly, it's possibility. Not something to control, but something to reveal. If this changed the way you think about wood, even slightly, then you're already seeing what most people miss. Because the real craft is not just in shaping. It's in noticing. If you enjoyed this journey into the silent side of wood, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who appreciates creativity, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more original ideas and inspiration. There's always another story waiting hidden in the grain. You just have to slow down enough to see it.